Welcome to our virtual law legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of Nocum versus Laguna Tayabas Bus Co. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on October 31, 1969. Let's dive right into it. Facts. Herminio Nocum was a passenger in a bus owned by Laguna Tayabas Bus Company, LTBC. While the bus was on its way, a box containing firecrackers exploded, injuring Nocum and 37 other passengers. The box was declared by the owner as containing clothes and miscellaneous items. Nocum filed a case against LTBC, claiming that the company was negligent in transporting the firecrackers. Issue: whether LTBC is liable for the injuries sustained by Nocum and the other passengers. Ruling: the Supreme Court held that LTBC is not liable. The court found that the company exercised extraordinary diligence in transporting the passengers. The conductor, upon being informed by the owner of the box that it contained clothes and miscellaneous items, did not open the box because he was not authorized to do so. The court also noted that the owner of the box misrepresented the contents of the box, which made it difficult for LTBC to detect the presence of firecrackers. The court held that LTBC cannot be held liable for the negligence of the owner of the box. The court also ruled that the explosion of the firecrackers was a fortuitous event, which is an event that is inevitable and unforeseeable. As such, LTBC cannot be held liable for damages. Significance: the Nocum case is a landmark case in Philippine law on the liability of common carriers. The case established the principle that a common carrier is not liable for the negligence of its passengers, unless the common carrier itself was negligent. The case also clarified that a fortuitous event is a defense that can be raised by a common carrier to avoid liability. Key takeaways from the case: common carriers are held to a higher standard of care than ordinary persons. Common carriers are liable for the negligence of their passengers, unless the common carrier itself was negligent. A fortuitous event is an event that is inevitable and unforeseeable, and it is a defense that can be raised by a common carrier to avoid liability. That's all for this episode. What do you think about the topic? Feel free to comment and suggest what topic you want us to discuss on the next video. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding the law helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.